This is the MDT LSS Gen2. Each MDT chassis is designed specifically for each rifle model. This way it will integrate specifically and seamlessly with your rifle. The reason you'd want to go with an MDT LSS chassis is it's nice and light. It stands for Light Sniper System. Ranged from about 1.4 to 1.6 pounds. It features an ambidextrous mag release, a barricade stop, and an M-LOK forend, M-LOK on 3 sides. It has a interface for a standard AR-15 style buttstock and non-beaver tail AR-15 grip. Gives you a solid V-block bedding system, so that way you're going to be bedding your action into a solid block of aluminum. Your recoil lug's going to be mated up against that. It's going to increase your rigidity, your repeatability, and your accuracy. To complete the installation of our LSS, I've already installed the skeleton carbine stock and adjustable vertical grip on this chassis. Now to get going, I've already pulled the barrel action out of a stock. Bolt is removed, so we're nice and safe. Insert the barrel action into the chassis. Try to line up the trigger with the hole in the chassis. Now the best thing to do is if you can hold the two together and move to a vertical position. What you're trying to do is the barreled action has a recoil lug. And what that does is that helps ensure that they act as one. So you want to make sure that that recoil lug is completely seated against the chassis. So working in this vertical position, gravity is going to pull them together. Insert your action screws. Just so they're snug. And then you can torque them down. For our center fire chassis, you're going to want to be about 65 inch-pounds. And we have full function. Now, let's go sight it in.